Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into how AI is totally reshaping brand identity.
Okay, let's kick things off. What if your brand's logo wasn't static? What if it was alive? We're basically entering what people are calling the post-logo era, moving from fixed to flexible. This is a Dynamic Visual Identity, or DVI. It's a system literally coded to change and adapt. So, the old rule of absolute consistency? Well, it's being replaced by smart, designed variability. And guess what's making this all possible on a massive scale? You got it, artificial intelligence. And it's not just a theory. Get this, over 70% of companies are already using AI for branding.
And why wouldn't they be? The benefits are huge. Endless creativity, lower costs, and incredible speed.
Just look at the numbers. AI can slash design costs by 30% and make projects way faster.
But hold on, just letting AI run the show is a really bad idea. There are some serious risks.
And why is that? Because AI just doesn't get emotion, and 95% of buying decisions are emotion.
As one expert put it, if everyone uses the same tools, we get the great samening.
And here's another huge problem. About 40% of companies using AI are bumping into unintended bias. And this isn't a small thing. This bias has real-world impacts, from hiring to home loans. So the future isn't about human versus machine. It's about human plus machine. That's the magic. Okay, let's look at a real-world example of this partnership. First up, Coca-Cola. They used AI to let fans co-create thousands of pieces of unique digital art. Their take? AI didn't replace their craft. It actually made their craftsmanship even better. Nike did something similar. They used AI as a creative launchpad for their designers. AI cranked out the initial concepts, but the human designers refined them to actually fit the Nike brand. So how can you do this? You start with a clear plan for how humans and AI work together.
Next, think about it like this. You've basically got three main levers you can pull.
The real smartness comes from deciding where you set these levers for your brand.
Because at the end of the day, marketing is about understanding people and their irrational behavior.
So that leaves us with one final thought. Is your brand telling a new story or just repeating an old one?
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving